Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Tasteful Bakings. On today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to make a chicken shawarma with sausages and cheese, of course. So let's start now. Start by marinating your chicken breast. Add in your curry, black pepper, rosemary leaves, white pepper, garlic powder, coriander, more seasoning to taste, salt, and your yogurt. I love adding yogurt to my marination. It just gives it a whole new taste. Mix it in. Oh, my hands have to do the work. So use your hands and massage the ingredients softly into the chicken. Then you would need to refrigerate it till the next day or for at least 2 hours. It has been marinated for almost a day now and it's ready to be grilled. So immediately you put it into your non-stick pan and onto the stove. I let the juice come out first and let it start to boil before I cover it for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, the juice is almost finished. I flip to another side and cover for 3 more minutes just cause the juice isn't left much. And no problem, it's not burnt. Now your chicken breast is ready and it's time to shred it. I enjoy this process the most and I can actually take this with a hot cup of tea. That is done and it's time to make your shawarma sauce. Your ketchup, mayonnaise, fresh pepper, powdered pepper, lemon juice. Stir it in completely. It's time to mix in your veggies. Add your cabbage, your carrots, cucumbers, and your mixed shawarma sauce, the one we just finished mixing, and mix it in. Here is a little highlight of what you will be needing: your sausage, your cheese, I'm using gourmet slices, your shawarma sauce, your mixed veggies, and also your shawarma sheets. This is a store-bought shawarma sheet and I split it into two, like I split one into two. And then you start by adding your shawarma sauce, then your veggies, then your chicken breast, your sausage, and your cheese slice. You add in more shawarma sauce just to give it that juicy taste and starts to roll. As I'm rolling, done, and it's so easy like that. So I'll show you that one more time. Your shawarma sauce, your veggies, your chicken, your sausage, your cheese, and more shawarma sauce. Then it's time to roll. Do not forget to also check the description box below for the written recipe and little tips I give every time. Proceed to your pan, which should already be on the stove, heated. Add your shawarma to seal the opening. As you can see, you just need a minute or less than a minute for an opening to be sealed. I grilled both sides though. Voila! We are done. This is the shawarma now. It's complete. Also, if this is your first time visiting my channel, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Please comment down below on how this recipe worked for you. And this is done. It looks pretty. You can see the sausage, the cheese, the veggies, the chicken, everything is in there and it's yummy. That's all. See you next time and thank you for watching.